Welcome back. The Nasdaq Dubai welcomed the listing of a $750 million bond today, issued by Emirates NBD, bringing the nominal value of conventional bonds and Sukuk on Dubai exchanges to $19.70 billion. So before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, work is set to start on the construction and remaster planning of the Dubai Trade Centre district, a 146,000 square metre site between the Dubai International Convention and Exhibition Centre and Emirates Towers. According to the Dubai World Trade Centre, approval for the work was granted by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Deputy Ruler of Dubai, the UAE Minister of Finance and Chairman of the Board of Dubai World Trade Centre and the Board of DWTC, following a review. The approval includes the construction of the first phase, a mid-scale hotel and 3 buildings located next to the Dubai International Convention and Exhibition Centre, and the remaster planning of the remainder of the district. Construction of the district has been on hold since early 2010, and construction will begin in the third quarter of this year, with a target delivery date for the first commercial building in the final quarter of 2015 and an opening date for the hotel in early 2016. Construction of the other 2 buildings, both designated for mixed-use purposes, are expected to start construction in 2014 and 2015 and will be completed within 30 months. The Abu Dhabi Plaza complex that is being developed by Aldar will be ready by November 2016 in Astana, Kazakhstan, in time for the Economic Expo 2017. Aldar's development will include 90,000 square metres of commercial space, 598 residential units in an 88-storey tower, a retail space of 111,000 square metres and 2 hotels. The plaza will also be connected to the Astana airport through a railway link, as well as boast 5,300 parking lots. Officials revealed that the development will expand the special economic zone in Astana to help further develop the economy, which has seen an investment of 5.5 billion dirhams from the Abu Dhabi government. According to officials, trade between Kazakhstan and the UAE stood at 1.47 billion dirhams last year, a number that is expected to rise this year. Officials added that in addition to the multifunctional complex, the 2 governments have agreed to launch a 3.68 billion dirham Kazakh UAE equity fund, Al Fala. The fund focuses on investments in power and energy, oil and gas services, as well as mining and agriculture in both Kazakhstan and the Commonwealth of Independent States. The UAE and Kazakhstan have contributed $500 million each to the fund. The chairman of Dubai's MR Properties, Mohammed Al-Abar, is looking at plans to build a 1-kilometre plus tower in Asia. That's according to a local daily. In an interview, the chairman was quoted as saying that the project will be a little taller than the one currently being developed in Jeddah. He stated that a location in Asia has already been identified and preliminary drawings have been done. The publication added that MR has undergone a resurgence in the past year, with its share price rising by more than 80%. 2012 results showed an 18% rise in net profits to $577 million. The shopping malls and retail side of the business accounted for $740 million in revenue last year, a 27% increase on the previous year. Dubai's home ownership is on the rise, according to the latest report, due to a strong resurgence in mortgages, representing a shift from an investor-dominated market to an end-user owner-occupied market. The report by Unitas Consultancy shows that in the Dubai Marina, Jumeirah Lake Towers, the Greens, Arabian Ranches, the Springs and Meadows areas, home ownership now accounts for nearly 1 in 6 transactions, up by more than 100% in the last 4 years. An analysis of mortgage percentage of overall supply shows a strong preference for government-sponsored developments, indicating higher and more stable ownership rates of between 20 to 28% in areas like the Dubai Marina, the Greens, Arabian Ranches, the Springs and Meadows, as opposed to private sector buildings in the Marina and Jumeirah Lake Towers, which stands at 6.55% and 11% respectively. They added that population growth has also contributed to demand, with a rise of 6% per year, which is leading the population to pass 3.25 million in 2020.